I think it's important for pharmacists to be members because community pharmacy in particular, I think, can be practiced in professional isolation, and that doesn't need to be the case. The Royal Pharmaceutical Society can help connect people who have similar interests, shared goals and shared aspirations for practice. So I would say that any pharmacist is going to get benefit from being a member of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society, and they're going to be able to connect with people who share their ideals about what good practice looks like.
I think it's important to be a member of the Royal Pharmaceutical Society because it represents the pharmacy profession. The greater the membership, the more influential it can be.
Pharmacists need a voice. Pharmacists from across the whole of the pharmacy profession need a voice, and the RPS provides that voice.
I think it's important for pharmacists to be members. It's a great opportunity to build networks across the profession. We have a number of pharmacists who have a variety of backgrounds, academic, hospital, community. There's a variety of expertise and knowledge, and it's about us all sharing that knowledge to develop patient care. It's important that we all keep our knowledge and expertise up to date, and it can be quite isolating working as a pharmacist because you might not have the opportunity to work closely with other healthcare professionals.
It's really important for pharmacists to be members of a professional body. I would say probably for two main reasons. One are the intangibles, like the pride in your profession, the sense of belonging that comes with being part of a professional body, and access to support and networks, colleagues and peers. And then for me, there would be some tangible benefits, which would include the services we provide for members, as well as the bigger things we do for the membership as a whole. So things like, the support line, access to support with your CPD, access to consultations and sharing good practice. But again, some of the things like standards and guidance and gathering of evidence of good practice, they're really the tangible reasons why you'd be a member of the professional body.
I think it's important for pharmacists to be members of the societies. At this present time, there's a huge change going on in the NHS, and pharmacy really does need a strong, united voice in the corridors of power. And like any association, the society is only as strong as its members, and it needs the support of pharmacists to give it legitimacy and strengthen its voice. If you want to go into community pharmacy, I'd say that you really do need to stay ahead of the curve, understand what's happening in the marketplace, keep abreast of the things that are happening, and really get involved with associations like the Society, because unless you participate, you won't have a voice where it matters.
So the Society is an important organisation, and its importance is partly defined by how many members it's got. So if you want a strong profession, then you really need a strong professional body. And I think it's important, therefore, for pharmacists to be members of this one.